I love to entertain, and there's nothing wrong with having the odd dessert, but you know what, I love a decadent dessert that sits within my own personal philosophy of using whole foods. So here's what we're going to do today, a no-bake chalk orange nut cake. Now here's my ingredients. My base is going to be simply raw almonds. The sweetness is coming from whole dates, so I'm not adding any refined sugar here at all. And then I'm adding some pure cocoa powder. Now this is quite different to drinking chocolate. Pure cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants and it gives that lovely bitter chocolate orange taste. So let's start by making our base. So in go my almonds, those gorgeous sweet dates, and the rich cocoa powder. On goes my lid. Always make sure it's on tight. Now here I've got a spring bottom tin that I've just greased with some coconut oil, and all we do is pop those base ingredients straight in here. So when you've got this nicely pressed down into base, just pop that into your freezer to start setting it for about an hour. So now we're ready to make the filling. Now the base of the filling are just raw cashew nuts that I've soaked in water, so they make a lovely creamy filling. So in they go. To that I'm going to add some coconut oil, some freshly squeezed orange juice, just a pinch of sea salt. This is the rind of an orange, which gives it a lovely flavour with that dark chocolate that's going to come from more of that cocoa powder. Really antioxidant rich. And the sweetness is going to come from honey. I'm a big fan of honey. We've been eating it since hunter-gatherer days, so it really is an unrefined, natural sweet source. And we're ready to blitz. So again, put your top on nice and tight. Okay, so we've got a lovely smooth creamy filling here. So I take my base out of the freezer and you just quite simply pour this on top. And all you need to do is pop that in the freezer for at least a couple of hours, but preferably overnight. And here's the finished result. I've just popped this out the freezer, topped it with some grated dark chocolate and some orange rind. It's simple, it's easy, it's fresh, and your guests are going to love it.